Okay, so what I wanted to do here was show you something kind of cool. This is a Citrix online plugin, or it's a Zen app. So you can see your Citrix online plugin. And what it does is it places icons in your start menu and on your desktop. So if I was to launch Excel, there we go, launches Excel. Now you can actually tell that it's a Citrix thing because if you look in the toolbar area here, you can actually see that brief flash there if the screen capture utility caught it, that shows the Zen app thing starting up. You can also see what the blue thing looks like. You see a Citrix right here. You can log on right here. If you right click it, there's a bunch of options, including seeing what kind of desktops and applications you have published to you as a particular user. You can log off. You can even connect to a different server. So this is a URL to my Citrix Zen app server, and I can change that if I have more than one, for example. Left clicking on this, or just the only mouse button I have on a Mac, you can actually see what's available here. So if you had this plugin installed on your VDI machine, for example, you wouldn't even need to open up a web browser to access these Zen apps or published applications or whatever you want to call it. All you got to do is provide that, make sure that the plugin is in your image, and users hopefully will have no idea that you actually have these applications remotely hosted. Now in this case, my Microsoft Excel, for example, is a profiled Zen app application. I double click that. The Citrix online plugin is already running, so all it needs to do is grab the information for how to run Excel and executes everything locally. This is not executed on the Zen app server. The Zen app server merely serves as a guide as to where to retrieve the information necessary to run things locally. So this is a very good thing for VDI, where you actually have enough processing power on your virtual desktop. You have the necessary bandwidth and whatnot to deliver the information to run things locally, and gives everything a very nice, speedy, local feel. Hope that gives you guys a good idea of some of the other possibilities you have with Zen app.